What is voter turnout data in elections? Have you ever wondered how many people actually participate in elections? Voter turnout data gives us a clear picture of this. It measures the percentage of eligible voters who cast their ballots during an election. This data is essential for understanding political participation and civic engagement in a democracy. To break it down, voter turnout data shows how many individuals took part in the voting process. You can calculate it by dividing the number of ballots cast by the total number of eligible voters. Eligible voters are typically citizens who meet age requirements and other legal criteria, such as not being disqualified due to felony convictions or mental incapacity, depending on local laws. This data serves several important functions in the election process. It helps us gauge the health of a democracy by showing how engaged citizens are in political decision-making. When turnout rates are high, it often indicates stronger democratic legitimacy and greater public trust in the electoral system. On the other hand, low turnout can suggest voter apathy, barriers to voting, or dissatisfaction with candidates or the political process. From the perspective of election security and post-election analysis, voter turnout data plays a vital role. It helps verify election integrity and assess how representative the results are. Analysts use these figures to identify irregularities or anomalies that might point to issues like voter suppression or fraud. Additionally, turnout data can guide strategies to improve future voter participation, such as making voting procedures simpler or increasing accessibility through options like early voting or online voting. Furthermore, voter turnout data allows election officials to classify votes into valid and invalid ballots. This helps them account for ballots that were incorrectly filled out and not counted. Monitoring turnout trends over time can reveal which segments of society are more or less likely to vote. This highlights disparities that may need attention to ensure fair representation. In essence, voter turnout data is a fundamental aspect of the election process. It measures how many people participate in voting, informs evaluations of democratic health, supports election security efforts, and guides initiatives to boost citizen engagement in future elections.